In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make a double iron door open using just one button in Minecraft. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Minecraft building guides. The first step is setting up the location for your door. Begin by choosing a spot where you want your double iron door to be placed and mine out the following pattern. 2 blocks down and 1 block at the end of each of these will work perfectly. From here, it's time to add your redstone components. Begin by placing redstone dust on the top of each of these side blocks. On the same side that you place the button, for example, I'm going to put it on the left side, go ahead and place a slab, and on the next one, put a normal block. A slab would also work here, but a normal block also works fine. Jump down into the hole and place some more redstone dust right here, and then a redstone repeater facing this direction. Come back up to the top, fill up this next section with whatever blocks you might need, and place your iron doors just like so. Go ahead and hit the button, and as you can see, it opens both sides of the door. That's it. You now have a double functional iron door that opens with a single button press. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know down in the comments below. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.